So I'll take you a little tour of Soboleski Bay South on Rainy Lake, R49. This is the dock. The dock is amazing. Plenty of room for at least 2 boats. Decent depth. You got about 8 to 10 feet out there. Probably decent, pretty good fishing earlier in the year. We're in August, so yeah, fish are deeper. But here is the site. Really nice. You get, if it's a northwest wind, you get a really nice breeze, keeps the bugs away. 2 bear boxes, picnic table. Two tent pads. These tent pads are great because they have sand in them, and the sand is really easy to get a tent stake into. I'll take you for a little walk around to the privy. Overall, the vegetation, it's brushy, but pretty open. Overall, really nice. So there's the privy, and you know, there's plenty of room to walk on the rocks to different spots if you want to fish from shore. Like I said, pretty shallow around here, but early in the year, May, June, maybe even early July, fishing could be really good just from the rocks. I'll take you from one more vantage point. There's the view. Amazing view. The sunsets are amazing. This is a nice spot here. Just go out to the point. It's about 10 miles from the Rainy Lake Visitor Center. Pretty easy ride out. So if you don't want to go too far out, this is a good option. Really good option. Great site.